Alright guys, so we have a 360 game that won't work, so we are about to show you how to fix it. Here we go. Anthony, take me away.
Alright, so what you want to do, you want to go up to the store and buy some Optifix Pro cleaning solution. It's only $2 at the store. It'll most likely be in the electronics. Okay, well, you need like something like this, nice and flat. What you do is you take your game. I'm using Fable 3. Or Fable 2. You take a game, open this up, put this all around here.
This video is legit.
And then you rub it around. This will buffer some of the scratches off.
We're about to show you the scratches that is on the game. It's hard to see, but it is scratched to hell. My bad. I dropped it.
Alright, you want to keep doing this for about a minute. Then what you want to do, we are not joking, you actually have to do this. It works perfectly. It glues in the rest of the cracks. You want to take some glue that you just buy from the dollar store or something. Sorry for my accent, just a joke. Now what you want to do is rub it all around the game.
We are trained professionals. Please like and subscribe to see more.
Now you rub it around.
Let it all soak up.
And now what you do is
Take the mic, smart turn. Oh yes. Oh. Now we get to the fun part. Now you gotta take your small screwdriver and then the big one. Now this is legit. This is how you fix it, guys. Please watch. So you stab it once, then you take the bigger one. Give it another fucking stab. And then you fucking stab it again. That's right, it's getting fixed, don't you see it? The scotch is coming right out. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, the scotch are coming right out. Oh, yes, it's coming out. It's coming out, you see? It's almost good as new. Oh, yes. Oh, I'm not finished. You take the other hand and you... And then...
nothing.
Oh, I'll get there. I'll get there. Then, grab it. Trust me, this is legit. You gotta start calling out like, fuck this shit. Ah, yes. Oh, we're almost done. Now, trust me. After this, your game will work. It was proven by Microsoft, I think.
It gives you fancy.
So you wipe
it gives
it
you
in.
fancy colors. It gives you the red ring of death.
Yes, it's just what you want. Then you take it. You bend it a bit. Oh, yes. Fable will be working just fine. Don't you worry, my friend.
Okay.
Oh, okay, after this. Trust me, this is legit. It will work. Okay. So after we've done that, we take the glue again. And we gotta glue it back together. Would you like to glue it back together?
Yes.
Okay. We are almost finished. It's pretty epic, don't you think? It's working.
Okay, so what you want to do is you want to start gluing all the plastic. Get all that glue on. Glue the bottom of this. And then what you want to do is stick it right back on. Then you put it back in your Xbox and
it should be working just like new. Here, let us try it. We'll try to put our Xbox back together as well. Who the fuck needs that?
It will not work because our Xbox is broken.
No, we will try. Never mind. So, there you have it. It's your working Xbox and your working Fable. Thank you. Please subscribe for more videos of whatever.